Hey guys, the Joe Mentor here. Today I am going to teach you how you can make $250 plus per day with copy and paste. So guys, this system is really easy and awesome, a really great way to be able to make money online. It takes no experience necessary. You can do this from your home, from work, you can do it from coffee shop, you can do this way of making money online any place at all. Um, so guys, you're really going to love this program. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you enjoy watching my videos and haven't done so already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. Um, but if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's the first link in the description below. So guys, this is a really quick, easy way of making money online with just copying and pasting. You don't actually need to know any tricks or anything like that. You just need to pay attention through the whole video so you learn how to do this. Like I said earlier, you can do this from anywhere. You aren't going to need to record yourself, and you don't actually need to know how to fulfill these jobs. What you're going to do is you are going to be looking for people who need work done. You're going to be taking their payment and then turning around and finding someone who is capable of doing the work for you. Now, how do you make the money? Well, the people who are looking for work are going to be paying you the big bucks, and you are going to be able to outsource this through another website and find people at a lower cost to pay for to have this work done for you, and then you are going to be able to profit and pocket the difference. So guys, we are going to hop right over to a website called Freelancer. So what this website is a job posting platform. These people are looking to have jobs done. They are looking to have certain things done online. You can also find things that are going to be local. But for purposes today, we are going to look at all online jobs. So ideally, you can pick yourself a category. They're going to show you tons and tons and tons of jobs. I mean, there are pages and pages and pages of these jobs. As you can see, I just hopped all the way to the end of it, and there are 354 pages worth of jobs here on this website. So there's an endless supply of people looking to have work done. So once you have picked your category, I'm looking at all open jobs. I'm not really looking at any closed jobs. I'm not really interested in looking at anything that's already closed. I've done a little research, and I have found certain areas that don't seem to be nearly as saturated. So what this website is there are people who need their jobs done, and they post them, and then you are going to bid on these jobs, which means you're going to say, I can do this job between this and this price. Once you are granted a bid, you're going to take it over to another website to outsource it to. And then you're going to pay that person to do the work, and you're going to be able to make a profit on the difference. So right now we're looking at this, and I'm looking at the newest jobs first, and there's 17,667 jobs, pricing in US dollars. We could look at the highest bid entries if you want to look at something of that nature and see where it takes us. Which I think that's where we're in already. So right now we are going to just search a few options and see what we can find. Now guys, make sure you do not um, make bids on something that you aren't able to fulfill, because that's not going to help you at all. So I'm just going to quickly search Shopify and see what comes up when we're searching for Shopify. Um, Website design and setup. So this would be perfect. There's 2 days left to bid on it, and it has a pretty hefty price tag for it. Let's pop back really quick again. And so the bids are right around a little over $1,000. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the description, you're going to copy and paste this, and you're going to take it up over to a website called Fiverr.com, which has a bunch of freelancers willing to do work. for you. And we're just going to search like Shopify. I create highly profitable and stunning Shopify websites for $25. It's the first person right here. So I'll click on them. And what you would do is you would copy and paste the description of what they're looking for, and you would send it over to this person. And you're going to be able to pay $25 for her to set up your Shopify store. And you're going to be charging the person from Freelancer a little over $1,000. So the profit is well over $250 for this one job, and it's literally just copying and pasting it. So it's really easy. Like I said before, there are tons and tons and tons of jobs that you can use. You can do it for $30. I mean, I know on Fiverr there's a few people that are charging like astronomical prices for it, like $2,000. But the majority of them are really reasonable. $60, $25, $40. Even if you paid $100, $150 for someone to set up this Shopify store, you're still going to be walking away with a huge, huge profit. And like I said, there are tons and tons of different job categories that you can do. Let's search something else, like, I'm not even sure, like Facebook promotion. There we go. Let's see what comes up with this. So there's going to be a bunch of different options. You just have to keep plugging away and figuring out what option is going to work best for you. You can build a mobile app, things like that, and that's going to be awesome. You can probably pop over to Fiverr and do that. There's one for build me a website. So there's a lot of different ones that you can do. There's logo design. You just have to literally just scroll through and just keep popping away at it. So let's check out a few other options. Like, I know a lot of people are looking for social media managers. So let's check that and see if we can find anything. Like I said, it's just keep on searching until you find something that's really going to like work for you. How about manage my brand's Instagram? I'm looking for someone to manage my brand's social media, mainly their Instagram. Looking for someone to create and manage a Pinterest account. It's fundamental that you know about these niches. So what I would do is I would pop over to Fiverr and I would look at like Instagram manager. Sorry. Manager. There we go. So look at this person here. They said that they are a social media manager. So this would handle all the Instagram and the Pinterest for $150. Now this person is looking to pay, you know, $475. So I just keep looking. I professionally promote and manage your Instagram. So that's perfect. That's $60 to be able to manage and promote my Instagram. And you just keep scrolling through until you find someone that works within your budget. Here's someone that's willing to do it for $30. So what you would do is you would take the description over here, like I said before. You're going to sit there, you're going to copy all of this, and then you're going to send it over. And you're going to send it over to the people on Fiverr that you agree to hire. And once you get paid, then you're able to pay your Fiverr worker to manage this person's Instagram, and in return you're going to be ending up collecting the difference between these payments. So guys, this is super easy. It's copy and paste. You know, I've had people ask me, you know, why don't people from Freelancer just go right over to Fiverr? Well, the thing is, a lot of people don't know about Fiverr. They don't know how it works. They don't know how easy and how quick it is, you know, so that's where you come in and you get to almost like middleman. You don't need to know anything about what these freelancers are looking for. All you need to know is how to copy and paste things and look for the people on Fiverr. So, you know, I would pick this one right here because it's Fiverr's choice. So I'm assuming that's probably going to be the best person to go to hire to do these things. Before you end up making bids on things, make sure you look for them on Fiverr first. I cannot stress this enough. You do not want to get yourself in a situation where you have bidded on a job and you get the bid, but you cannot find someone to do it, because then you're going to be stuck doing all the work about something that you know absolutely nothing about, and that's going to be a problem for you. So make sure you're capable of doing it when you're pairing up the people from Freelancer over to Fiverr. And it's just that easy, guys. You make your free accounts, you go on there, you search for jobs, you make a bid on a job, you get the bid, you make sure that someone over at Fiverr can do it, and you end up hiring them, and you get to collect the difference. It's really quick, easy, and I think this is like one of the quickest ways that you're going to be making money online. And I like to see people who are going to be able to, you know, make their first couple bucks online. They actually see the money coming in, and you're able to do it from home. You can do it from your job that you're working in. You can do it from a coffee shop. You can do it anywhere. So it's really quick. It's easy. No experience necessary. You're going to be able to do it anywhere. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon so you can get notifications for my future videos. I'm trying to make at least a few a week. My goal is to try and do one every day, but you know, life happens. This isn't a get-rich scheme. That's why I highly suggest that you take a look at the description below. My number one recommendation for making money online is the first link in the description. So definitely click that, see what it's about. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.